Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to understand how to update voucher numbering in Tally application. By default, Tally application comes with displaying invoice number as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So whenever you are going to print that invoice number in Tally application, you can see it is printing as simple as just invoice number 4. But as an accountant, it is good to know that how to update voucher numbering or known as invoice numbering in Tally application. Right now, we are going to convert a simple invoice number into a branded invoice number in Tally Prime application. For that, just come back to Tally main page. From Tally main page, just go to alter and select voucher type, and here select sales voucher type, which is already created, and here in the place of method of voucher numbering, just keep it automatic. I want to just make it automatic, but I would like to add some prefix and also suffix, a text before the invoice number known as prefix and the text after the invoice number known as suffix. So simply just use advanced configuration yes, and here system is giving a chance what was the starting number, that will be only 1, and here width of numerical part, I want to print my invoice number at least in 4 digits, and I want to print at least in 4 digits, and just press enter, and here system is giving a chance prefill with 0 yes or no. So if my invoice number is less than 4 characters, I want to prefill remaining characters with 0 yes, of course. So if my invoice number is only 1 digit, I would like to prefill remaining 3 digits as 0, and that's okay. And here you need to confirm prefix details, so that I want to apply from 1st April, and my prefix details is the company name is what, V Solutions. So I just want to keep V and S and slash, and what is the suffix? The suffix is the text after the invoice number, so applicable from 1st April, and slash 21 and 22, and updated number will be VS is a prefix of the invoice, and 4 digit minimum 4 digit numerical part slash suffix slash 21 22, and just control a save, again control a save. And if you wanted to view the same, just go to debug and open any voucher and just press Ctrl plus P and just click on preview and just make it zoom by pressing Alt plus Z, and you can see previously it was just only simple number 4. Now we can see VS is a prefix slash 0004 is a 4 digit numerical invoice part slash 21 and 22 is a invoice number suffix, right? So we are going to add prefix, invoice number and also suffix, and this is your branded invoice number, and this is how simple it is, right? Thank you.